Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the verb liyashil to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'lu amr, commandment. Fi'lu amr, commandment. We are going to learn how to instruct others to do something in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb liyashil to suit the pronouns below? Liyashil simply means he should reach, which means to get to somewhere as a traveler. So he in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb liyashil to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb liyashil to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb liyashil will now become li'ashil, which means I should reach. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb liyashil to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb liyashil will now become linashil, which means we should reach. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb liyashil to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach lamun and ya'un, and we are going to be left with shrill. So since the first letter being sudden is pronounceable, there will be no need of borrowing alifun so as to make it pronounceable. So the verb liyashil will now become shrill, which means you have to reach or you should reach. Arba, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb liyashil to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach yaun to the last letter. Remember, once yaun is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that yaun is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb liyashil will now become shrilly, which means you should reach. You can only use this to command a single female person to get to somewhere. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb liyashil to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb liyashil will now become litashil, which means she should reach. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from three upward. Plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object, just like the verb shrill can only be used to command a single male person to reach. So if there are two, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter of the verb shrill. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb shrill will now become shrilla, commanding two male persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. So if there are more than two, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter of the verb shrill. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, because wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb shrill will now become shrilu, which means you should all reach, commanding a group of male persons. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the waw, what is it doing there? So the alifun is only telling us that the wawun written before me is not part of the verb. Rather, it is an extra letter. Then we talk about mu'annas. Mu'annathun, feminine. So this is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. It's just like the verb shrilly can only be used to command a single female person to get to somewhere. So if they are two in number, so you use the same form of the verb shrila. So if there are more than two, you go and replace yaun in shrilly with nunun carrying fataha, then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb shrilly will now become shrilna, which means you should all reach, commanding a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. Masha Allah. Al-istimal, noun the usage. Wahid, number one. ليصل خالد إلى بلده غدا. ليصل خالد إلى بلده غدا. ليصل خالد إلى بلده. Khalid should get to his country. غدا, by tomorrow. ليصل خالد إلى بلده. Khalid should get to his country. غدا, by tomorrow. اثنان, number two. لتصل زينب إلى ولايتها مساء. لتصل زينب إلى ولايتها مساء. لتصل زينب إلى ولايتها. Zainab should get to her state مساء, in the evening. لتصل زينب إلى ولايتها. Zainab should get to her state مساء, in the evening. ثلاثة, number three. سل إلى كانوا غدا يا أخي. سل إلى كانوا غدا يا أخي. سل إلى كانوا, you should get to Kanu غدا, by tomorrow. يا أخي, my brother. سل إلى كانوا, you should get to Kanu غدا, by tomorrow. يا أخي, my brother. أربعة, number four. سلي إلى أبوجا اليوم يا زينب. سلي إلى أبوجا اليوم يا زينب. سلي إلى أبوجا, you should get to Abuja اليوم, today. يا زينب, زينب. سلي إلى أبوجا, you should get to Abuja اليوم, today. يا زينب, زينب. ستة, number six. Okay, سلي إلى المدينة بعد الشروق. خمسة, number five. سلي إلى المدينة بعد الشروق. سلي إلى المدينة, you should both get to Medina. بعد الشروق, after the sunrise. Talking to Hashim and Khalid, two male persons. The same form of the verb can also be used to command two female persons. سلي إلى المدينة, you should both get to Medina. بعد الشروق, after the sunrise. ستة, number six. سلوا إلى المدينة بعد الشروق. سلوا إلى المدينة, you should all get to Medina. Talking to a group of male persons. بعد الشروق, after the sunrise. يا إخوة, brothers. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. Masha Allah. سبعة, number seven. شلنا إلى سوق نهارا يا أخوات. شلنا إلى سوق نهارا يا أخوات. شلنا إلى سوق, you should all get to the market. نهارا, at noon. يا أخوات, sisters. Talking to a group of female persons. شلنا إلى سوق, you should all get to the market. نهارا, at noon. يا أخوات, sisters. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. Masha Allah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom. Take your lesson watching a single video clips and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.